Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Personal Development Academy, which comprises 11 dedicated workshops, and we are in the first workshop of the series, Discover Yourself, Unlock Your Hidden Potential. Self-awareness and personal growth. Discover yourself. Unlock your hidden potential. Understand who you are. Lead who you can be. And today is the 4th episode. We are discussing the 4 pillars of self-awareness. In the previous vlog, we discussed the values. Today we are going to discuss strengths. Values is the first pillar of self-awareness, to know your values. Then to know your strengths is the second pillar of self-awareness. Strengths, these are your natural tools. These are the tools with the help of which you spend life. You make relationships. You make team. You overcome hurdles of your life. You do networking with others. Self-awareness begins with knowing what you excel at. Self-awareness begins when you know what are your strengths. You grow faster when you know your strengths. You grow faster while being on your strengths, not when you obsess on weaknesses. Examples of strengths. Communication. The way you communicate with others. The way you communicate your team members. The way you communicate in society. The way you communicate in workplace. The way you communicate within your family. How strong your communications are. How positive you are in your communication. These are your strengths. The second example of your strength is empathy. How you feel others are suffering from. Can you put yourself at the place of others? If you can, you have strength enough to be a part of a team. Then creativity. This is another strength of a human being. If you are creative, if you think something different, if you can come out of box, This is your strength. Then problem solving. If you can analyze the problem you are solving, the problems which has come in your way and you are facing those problems, if you can solve those, this is your another example of strength. So the common examples of strengths are communication, empathy, creativity, and problem solving. So I request you to write down in the comment section below 2 strengths you believe you have. Thank you very much. See you in the next episode of our first workshop. Khuda Hafiz.